Is Bitcoin about to explode past 250,000? Most people have no idea what's coming. The US government is poised to accumulate Bitcoin, and when this thing runs, the fear of missing out will be insane. If you're not positioned now, you're going to be chasing the market later. Welcome back, Crypto Crew. It's your boy Tom here, bringing you the hottest in Bitcoin and crypto action. If you're ready to dive into today's market action, please give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on X, where we talk about Bitcoin and crypto all day, every day. Well, let's go on to the monthly charts, crew. Right now, most people are not ready for what's coming. Yes, there are some headwinds hitting us right now, but when Bitcoin rips, it's going to leave everyone behind, scrambling to buy at much higher prices. Let's talk about price projection. Once Bitcoin gets above the previous high that we had at 110, 109, 800, it's poised to break to a new high. Powerful move, probably to 150,000 before a retrace. And that's just the beginning. The real price projection for this thing is beyond 250,000. Let's move over to a smaller time frame chart right now. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin is forming a bull flag. It's one of the cleanest and clearest setups we've seen. Every dip down, looking for price discovery, is just a new opportunity to stack coin. Stepping up to the 12-hour chart, what we're seeing right here, it's a very important chart, the 12-hour chart. Bitcoin broke major resistance. Right now, it's testing for support again. We know that we could get a dip down, but overall, this thing is ripping. It is ripping. So don't be, we got to make sure that you understand that the river of fundamentals running in the background here is going to send us to the moon eventually. But overall, the structure is bullish, primed for continuation. Further evidence, if we come down to the daily chart, we are in a descending channel, and it's primed for a breakout right around 91,000, 92,000. And once that happens, it's game on, okay? Now, before we move on, I wanted to make sure that you're following us with the best broker possibly. Follow us on Pionex. I'll go to broker for fresh trade setups. We got new plays incoming, and you don't want to miss out. Click on the link below for daily updates and get in on the action. Don't sleep on this. Crypto Crew, Pionex is where the winners play. So what we're going to look at right now is furthering market sentiment. If we look at fear and greed, basically, the index is climbing. Bullish sentiment is heating up for the big players, but retail is still asleep. The retail traders are still asleep, and they're the ones that are going to be chasing prices, okay? Now, we also have to look at, we come down to the bull flag here. Now, this is the 4-hour chart. What else is fueling this? Well, ETF flows, institutional money is pouring in. Bitcoin ETFs are seeing, record inflows, and demand outpaces supply. Once it outpaces supply, price will inevitably skyrocket. Now, also, we mentioned this before, and we have to keep hitting this. There is a potential rate cut on the horizon, and liquidity is going to flood into the markets, pushing Bitcoin higher. Now, we come over to this. We come over to our X post right here. Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Congressman Nick Begelich just introduced the Bitcoin Act of 2025, which could see the U.S. Treasury acquiring 1 million Bitcoin over the next 5 years. This is huge. When governments start buying, supply shrinks and price erupts. So if you're ready for Bitcoin to rip past that 92,000, setting us off up into the 100,000, beyond our 109,000, let me know. Tell me in the comments. Smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you always follow us on X. And remember, always trade with your head, not over it. Do your own research, and make sure as a day trader you enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.